Hi guys, welcome to POMCLOSET channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a very simple and beautiful summer top. This design is actually very simple. You will need the motif from my previous design, which is the black skirt. You will have like the front piece, the back piece, and the two sleeves. I actually used two different brands. The first one was the Grindle brand, the Cotton Fun 4-ply medium weight, because I have run out of the Grindle, so I have used the Mayflower from Hobby instead, the medium weight yarn 4-ply, number 1424. You will need the two motifs connect to each other, the small motif flowers. I have made these for the dress, for the colorful dress. You will need like 1, 2, 3, 4. I have connects like each piece to each other before I connect to the big motifs, and then add an extra small motifs on each side to make it as a strap. You just need to connect like each motif to each other for 2 rows, and then connect each row to each other. How to connect the pieces? It's gonna be the same as the black skirts by using the 3 chains. Lay down the back piece. I will turn it to the wrong side like this, and then bring the front piece on top of it. How to connect is very easy by using the 3 chains. So what I'll do here at the right side of the work, I'm just going to start from this corner, connecting the yarn. Leave the end, always leave the end for weaving. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3 to connect from this side to the other side. Basically exactly the same as the other part. On these motif flowers here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mesh loops. So you will need to get back on this side, and then where you have the 7 double crochets on the big motifs, I will go in the middle, get back to the other side, go back, 3 chains, come back, 3 chains, go back, do the slip stitch between, come back on this side, slip stitch, 3 chains, on the other side, slip stitch, 1 chain, cut off the yarn, and then reconnecting the other side. On the other side, I will turn the work like this because I want to start from the corner of the work. And chain 3 and then connect it normal. Here's the last one, chain 1, cut off the yarn. This is going to be like the neckline. For the side of the top, I will connect the first motifs to the first one, like the first corner and the second corner. I will do the 3 chains to connect between these two. Leave the other motifs for the armhole. I have connected the side, both sides, the left and the right. Now you will have like the tank top like this. You can weave all the ends in now, or you can do it later. After that, you will need to bring the sleeves. I have used like 4 pieces. I have run out of the yarn from the Grindle, so that's why I used the Mayflower from the Hobbies. First, connect the 2 pieces to make this as 1 row, and then you have another row. You connect these 2 rows together, and then fold. After that, connect the normal connecting, like 3 chains on this side and the other side. Do the zigzag kind of connecting. Both sleeves are done. I have connected the side, the 3 chains, 4 pieces to create like 1 sleeve. So I have 2 sleeves now. Now you can bring the top to connect. By connecting the sleeve to the body part here, you will need to use the 3 chains as well. You can start from any part. If you're unsure about where to place, where to connect, you can also use the stitch markers. I'll put the stitch markers on here, as well as on the top part. On the other side you have the big motifs on the back, and on the other side also big motifs that would equal the numbers of the mesh loops. But on the front side here you will have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you will need to equal or the balance the mesh here. I will start from the armpit part here, reconnecting the yarn, and use the 3 chains to connect. So I have connected one sleeves onto the body part. It's very easy connecting techniques using the 3 chains. Now I will do the other side. I have connected the 2 sleeves to the body part, and I have weaved all the ends in. So the tops looks like this, and I want to fix the last part, which is the neckline, because I think it's quite big. The measurement on this part here, it's over like 40 inches, so I want to reduce this a little bit. I'm gonna go for the white yarn. I will reconnecting the yarn on this part here, which is on the first flowers motif, and then I will change 3, move on to the next mesh and do single crochet, 3 chains, the next mesh, single crochet, just to reduce this part, to make it smaller. By using 3 chains, move to the next mesh and do single crochet, 1, 2, 3, next mesh, single crochet, 3 chains, next mesh, single crochet, like this all the way around. And once you reach to the blue part here, I will also do this 3 chains. I'm not going to change to the blue color. Move on to the next mesh, 3 chains. Yeah, I will skip. I'm going to go to the middle part of the big motif. Change 3, move on to the next mesh. On the 7 double crochet here, I will do the single crochet in the middle part like this. Change 3 to the next mesh, because I want to reduce the neckline. Now back to where we have started, and I will do the slip stitch on this one. I'll chain 1 first, and then let's see what the tops looks like. If you're happy like this, you can leave it. If you want to wear it like this in summer, it's also fine. The measurement around here is around 36 inches. I still want to have like the smaller neckline. I'm just gonna continue from the last stitch from the previous row by change 3, and then move to the first mesh that we have started. You can always use the stitch markers on this part here where we have started. And then I will change 3, do the single crochet on the next mesh, and then change 2, single crochet on the next mesh, change 3, single crochet in the next mesh, change 2, single crochet. So I was swapping between 3 chains, single crochet, 2 chains, single crochet all the way around, to reduce the size of the neckline all the way around. On the last mesh, to change, get rid of the stitch markers, and then I will do the slip stitch on the first mesh of this row. Chain 1 and then cut off the yarn. Now I have the smaller neckline. The size is around 28 inches, so I think I'm quite happy with the size. Alright guys, here is the result of this top. It is a summer top, which you can wear over the bikinis top in the summer, or you can wear it as a normal top. So you can wear with a short skirt or any of your favorite items. I think it's quite lovely summer top, unfortunately I have run out of the yarn, so I have used like 3 different shades. I mean, I have the white and then the 2 blue shades, which you can actually use only one color, or you can actually mix any of your favorite colors. I really hope you like it, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section. Share the work on my Instagram account. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.